Here are just the torque specs for replacing the front pads and rotors on a 2007 to 2014 GMC Sierra, which is the same for the 07 to 14 Chevy Silverado 1500. This applies to two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive trucks, but not the 8-lug HD trucks, as they use different parts and torque specs than the 6-lug truck that I have here. The two 19mm bracket bolts should have fresh thread lock applied and then torqued to 129 foot-pounds. The two 18mm caliper guide pin bolts get torqued to 74 foot-pounds. The T30 torque screw for the rotor gets 8 foot-pounds. The caliper banjo bolt gets 30 foot-pounds. And the bleeder screw only needs 8 foot-pounds. The torque spec for the lug nuts is 140 foot-pounds. If you want to watch the full video on replacing the pads and rotors, I'll put the link below. Thanks for watching, and consider subscribing for more how-to videos and project vehicle updates here at the 6th Gear Garage.